and welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel and blog. Today I have the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp July 2018 card kit. So let's get started. Okay, this kit is called Cool Summer, and it's got lots of pretty stuff in it. And we got our sucker watermelon. Okay, the kit includes a Simon stamp set, and it's a large stamp set, so this is an awesome value. It's called One Cool Pineapple, and it's got lots of fun images. You got a sun. And that's so you can stamp a solid color in the sun. A couple of hearts. Looks like a goldfish, a pineapple, a little star, some bubbles, a flamingo, watermelon, cactus. Your one cool pineapple. You got some little shades you put on the pineapple. You can even put them on the cactus or on the sun. Wishing you a happy birthday. You bring the sunshine. You're one in a melon. Be a flamingo and a flock of pigeons stuck on you. So that's a really cute stamp set, and it's like a 6x8. It is a really great value to have in this kit. Okay, so the next thing is you get a flamingo wafer die, and I believe it does, yes, it does match up with that stamp. So that is awesome. Okay, and now you get 12 double-sided sheets of Carta Summer Splash. So let's look at that. Carta always has the best, funnest papers and such pretty colors and stuff too. I just love that. So they're all double-sided. So you get some polka dots. That's kind of like a 70s print, kind of looks like. Get some cool palm trees and flamingos with a beach ball, just a pretty blue, some more little summertime images, some of the kind of little vintage feel. Well, that's neat, like that pattern, like all the little flip-flops and flippers and things. That looks like the bottom of a pool. So just lots of fun summertime images. Prints, neat stripe, and they are all different. So you get a lot of paper to choose from in this pack. A lot of fun stuff, like all the drinks. Okay, so let's see what's next. American Crafts Amy Tangerine Sunshine and Good Times sticker book. So I think that would be this. It says it's a sticker book, so let's check this out. Oh, so we got all sorts of fun stickers. Those have foil in them too. How pretty. Bees. I can do some bee stuff for my bees that I have. Those are cool. More foil in these. It says yes please here, but if you put it over dark cardstock, then you can see that. And this one says love you this so much. So lots of fun stickers. There's 8 pages of stickers in there. Okay, next would be American Crafts Amy Tangerine Sunshine and Good Times Mini Icon Puffy stickers. So there was a lot of things in there that would for planners and stuff too. So if you're a planner person, these would be good. It's got a couple little 3Bs, yay! Or just add them as little embellishments to your cards or whatever your projects are. Okay, Simon Says Stamp Summer Gold Sequins. So that are these, and these are very pretty colors. Got a clear and a gold, and it's like a light gold and a dark gold, maybe a rose gold in there. So that's a very pretty color mix for summer. Alright, one sheet of 4x6 Sizzix white foam adhesive. So it's Sizzix foam, and it has adhesive, I think, on both sides. Yes, on both sides. So you can die cut that. Okay, you get a 3-pack of Simon Says stamp. A 3-pack of Simon Says stamp 120-pound scored cards. Oh, pre-scored cards. So these would be 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 when folded. So it's the Simon Says stamp 120-pound cardstock. Okay, and you get sorry, 1 doll pink envelope. So it's a pretty pink color. And then you get a 6x6 sheet of Simon Says stamp pink glitter paper, which their glitter paper is great. It does not come off, and it's not super thick, so it die cuts easy. And this is a very pretty color. Okay, so then you get 1 sheet each of Simon Says cardstock, and you get doll pink, island blue, bright yellow, and green leaf. Okay, so that is the Simon Says stamp Cool Summer card kit for July 2015. My goodness, where is my head today? 2018. Yeah. So here's all of the goodies. And let's not forget that stamp set. There we are. Alright, I'll have everything listed down in the video description below, and for picture links, please go and visit my blog, and we'll be back soon with projects. Thanks for watching.